Hi everyone, it's Regina here. I am an online digital business owner and I am very proud of what I do. And I'm helping a lot of people, hardworking people, earn income online. So I am a business strategist, I am a mentor. I joined a big group of onliners to do the 90-day Reels challenge. And today I am on my 30th day. And today is my topic is what's one tool I cannot live without in my business, and that is smartphone. A smartphone. This is the tools that I cannot live without my business. Will you believe that you can actually create your own online business, start your online business, and run your online business using a smartphone? Yeah. So this is the tools that I am so much attached with. Amazingly, I love our online digital business because we are global. So we can do our business anywhere around the world at our convenience, at my own time, at my own decision making. It's so portable and it's so flexible. So you can do this business wherever you are, just like me. I was able to do this business in Philippines, just having my cellular phone, just carrying my cellular phone. And on top of this, I'm so much in love with this type of flip because it is so comfortable. It is small. It can fit on my pocket that I also get another one. This is actually the first one. And this is my second model. This is the set 4 and this is the set 5. So this is my tools that I cannot live without. And being foldable is so convenient. I can just put it in my pocket. Then I have a business on the go. I set up my office, just coming it out of my pocket, set up my office anywhere I was. I'm able to do this in the airport. I'm able to do this while I'm driving, with my husband driving. While I'm traveling, I'm able to do and run my business while I'm having my snack. I'm able to run my business and engage with posts and engage my followers almost anywhere that I have the time with. So I love this business because it is so flexible, it is so portable. So in when you partner with us, we will teach you and guide you how you can start a business, an online business using your cellular phone, how you can run your business using your cellular phone. So sign in on my website at www.startwithregina.com and let me guide you start your online business using your cellular phone.